Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
The German media, like I said, there are a lot of issues, and this issue of cost. I've heard people all of a sudden jumping in town shouting the issue of cost. Chairman, the presentation, by the time the presentation was over, that if you, and I have documents here to show, the earlier vendor, Air Supertech Limited for no.
Yeah.
The amount of money they were charging us to provide, for example, new BVDs. And I read to you a letter dated 9th of June 2018, in which Supertech 4 presented a proposal for verification, equipment and implementation for exhibition and elections referendum in 2018. Based on basis on out masa Chairman, who share or more quotations now? Outrageous quotations. For example, new BVDs they were proposing to provide 10,000. Each was going to cost us $986. In all, nanka between $9.86 million. Chairman, the Electoral Commission is going to go for BVDs that are more robust, in fact far robust than the STL4 Eddie Bano, at a cost that is far less than this. In all, in summary, we share cost the calculations of EC4 air proposal I'm talking about in terms of procurement. In the end, they will be saving this republic an amount of 104 million Ghana cedis. But you see, on the 18th, on the 28th of June, just the day Mrs. Charlotte Osei was leaving office, that ridiculous proposal I had by or Tron who contract, Eka say Electoral Commission G2. Until if we did not have issues, TNO Chairman, if we did not have issues accepting the offer by STL say on beton new BVDs, for which a contract was signed and a letter indicating acceptance was signed by the former chairperson. Let me just generally say, Uncroform resist the new arrangements are if they did not find issues with Sir offer the proposal and the acceptance, why are they having issues with an arrangement that is going to cost us even far less? They've made all kinds of argument. Now the argument is moving from equipment to equipment. Data they can migrate the data onto the new equipment. But the problem is the data. Data is a problem. That is why we are even buying new equipment in the first place.
Even the old one,
look, exactly. And who call a data center now? And make a data center because a data center. The equipment that house the data, and also a data. And according to Electoral Commission, we have even stretched it to its maximum limit. It's a amphidena ekita data no. You stretch some amphidena to its limit. And unim every software licenses and warranties. And if you don't understand this, just take your Microsoft Word application. Licenses. Now after 1 year, one new license now. Ultimate type a whole page you it tells you say the license has expired. Unim says softwares any technology na yedi house data and this license no warranties no expired as far back as 2014. Supertech 4 never never went to renew licenses no. And if you are we are running a risky system. And when I left the room, I said look, the urgency for the new register is far more than I anticipated, because now we are headed towards a crash.
But if patches are crashing, and when
your licenses, you see, when your licenses expire, since you are running some risky software, and you can say limited registration. The Electoral Commission had to invest money to do minimum upgrade. Senebeya, you bet me yes, limited registration. But even with minimum upgrade, every modern free so. And I'm told that about 47,000 or so. And they had to incur further costs to get people to come and work on it to be able to retrieve sad data now, registration now free so no. And another issue is that source code now Electoral Commission for me to manage the data no. The Electoral Commission did not have the source code. Bisa STL4 only no mkan. It was not part of the contract say the source code ni be ma o. Chairman data here media. Na say me ni hu to me a. I mean what is the point? Enunda nchen. You'd also realize STL4 training Electoral Commission for to manage the data center. And the data center and I there is a letter here dated 19th September 2018 which was a response to an earlier request by the Electoral Commission about the fact that Electoral Commission does not have capacity to run to manage the data na our data center no. And when you na say as far as STL goes no they and there are even concerns about sharing some of our microwave, for example, links with other customers and so on and so forth. I think this is a bit technical, but it tells you, and yet we did not have exclusive ownership of some of the network now, and our networks now STL4 using. They were sharing with other customers. And if you are Electoral Commission, Sebi, it's not like some private entity. And the data there, no, national data, which are very, very sensitive. So if you are sharing some of the networks with other customers, it makes it difficult. And I am even told that some of the nodes were not encrypted, so hackers could just easily go in and access data, manipulate whatever they wanted. But the Electoral Commission is saying, this is not what we want to do. We want to have a more robust, secure system, and the only way to do it is to have new equipment. And now people have said, like I said, why don't you just migrate the data? If you decide to even buy the new equipment onto the new equipment, but the storage format STL4 usually makes it difficult for you to transfer that data onto new equipment.
But I think in some and yet the same register here near the Aba district level election and
Chairman, anything American can say the fact say ye faulty register to a bunch say we should and say young bibi. But Niamika beyond the fact that it is faulty. We may not even have a register to do the 2020 elections.
Kweku from Tema says the PNC chairman is against the new voter register. His general secretary is for it. Ask Atik which is which. I'm confused. Kweku from Tema. No chairman, and earlier.
And I'm saying if you were at the meeting, I mean, like I said, a bimuko with old views in this animal, a bimusu cohort with open minds. And for me, I've had conversation with my national chairman, and I know what he thinks about the present state of affairs. Which is a minimum nudging. And I'm telling you, sir, even though the party officially has not come out to issue a statement on this, and I'm saying, sir, hopefully in the coming days there should be some clear communication.
So, who party chairman Bernard Mona so the demonstration be a chair?
Because. But I would want to find out what really is the motivation for his participation.
No, maybe so, because we see he came with an open mind. Into GD sense, I'm not Tonasum.
Oh, in some way, Tonasum.
Ain't he said, Osanko did demonstration,
because in some way, not Tonasum. But of course, people are free to decide what they do after the. Look, you can convince me. I get convinced, but I refuse to be convinced. A bit missy. And
I'll come to that.
Yes.
Sami.
This FM 104.3. Who to me, Taki?